how to delete all app history on iPhone. So if you want to delete all of your app history on your iPhone, then this process involves clearing your browsing history, your app data, and search history across various apps. So if you were looking for a step-by-step guide, then here's how you can do it. First, to clear app cache and data, you need to go with the App Store. After opening your App Store, you will have this kind of interface. You need to tap on the profile, which will be on the top. Then you will have Apps section. You need to tap on Apps. Make sure to delete the app that you want to hide the history of. And then swipe to the left and you'll find the hide option. You just need to simply tap on hide to hide the app that you installed. If you already deleted the app and you want to find it, just tap on not this iPhone, which will be on the top right, and you will find the deleted apps. Just swipe them away and simply hide those apps as well. After that, just go back and go with your profile again and tap on the purchase history section. And also try to clear out data from here as well. If you have purchased any apps, you need to just go and clear the data from here. And that's it. You'll be able to clear all of the app data. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.